Do you want to know how simple it is to post an ad? Let me show you step by step. Step 1. Visit Worldwide Adverts info and sign up absolutely free. Step 2. Choose your category. Buy an amp, sell, jobs, services or property. Step 3. Write your ad, add your details and submit. That's it. Your ad goes live instantly. Now people around the world can see your post. No waiting, no complicated process. And here's the best part. You can post multiple ads in different categories. Sell your products, hire staff, promote your services, or rent out property, all from one account. It's fast, it's easy, and it's global. Worldwide, adverts.info. Because posting ads should never be difficult.